4WD, all-wheel drive and 4x4 are all terms that are used interchangeably, but all equate to the same thing. BMW xDrive is powered by an extra layer of intelligence, making it one of the most technically advanced all-wheel drive systems in the segment. In snow, ice, wet or muddy conditions, a conventional vehicle's front or rear wheels can lose grip. With BMW xDrive, Intelligent Dynamic Stability Control, DSC, sensors detect the slightest loss of grip, and using an electronically controlled multi-disc clutch, divert the power to the set of wheels that have the best traction, reacting much faster than traditional, hydraulically operated systems. And unlike other all-wheel drive vehicles, BMW xDrive is a fully variable system that can send almost 100% of the power to either axle, offering instantaneous and effective transfer of engine power.